Patreon versus YouTube membership. Which monetization platform is best for you as creators? So, Patreon is offering a membership platform that allows creators to earn recurring income by offering tiered subscriptions to their audience. Creators can offer exclusive content, early access, community perks, and more behind a paywall that patrons subscribe to monthly. So, let's talk about its pros and cons. So, for the pros, it has predictable monthly recurring income. It offers highly customizable membership tiers and rewards. It works across platform and not tied to any single platform. And it's good for long form or exclusive content. However, the cons is it requires an audience to go off platform to subscribe, and the Patreon fees reduce the overall earnings. And it is also less discoverable compared to large video platforms. Now, YouTube Premium, on the other hand, or YouTube membership, lets eligible creators offer a paid perks directly on their YouTube channel, such as badges, emojis, members only content, and live chats. Revenue is earned monthly from subscribers. And also, for the pros, it is integrated directly into YouTube, so there's no redirect off platform like Patreon. It also offers easy existing subscribers to join. And then it also offers extra perks available in the YouTube ecosystem. And it also has handling payment for billing and payments methods. And it helps grows the revenue alongside your ads and super chats. The cons is though, it is only available to eligible channels with required subscriber count. And YouTube takes a percentage of the revenue. So overall, choose Patreon if you want a flexible membership tier, and choose YouTube membership or YouTube Premium if you want flexible membership tiers and independent and primary audience live on YouTube. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification for more tutorial videos.